Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to do medical massage. First, always gather essential client information, including their specific pain points and any relevant medical history. Next, prepare your workspace, ensuring it's clean, comfortable, and equipped with any oils or tools you might need. Then, gently palpate the affected area to understand the tissue's condition and locate areas of tension. Now, let's dive into the core techniques. For trigger points, apply steady pressure for about 30 to 90 seconds until you feel the tension release. When performing myofascial release, use slow, deep strokes to lengthen and separate muscle fibers. Remember to incorporate gentle stretching, both passive and active, to improve the client's range of motion and flexibility. When addressing common ailments, tailor your approach. For neck and shoulder tension, use gentle yet firm effleurage and petrissage to relax the muscles. To alleviate lower back pain, focus on deep tissue work in the lumbar region. For sciatic discomfort, pay special attention to the hip and gluteal muscles, using sustained pressure to release tightness. After the massage, provide clear post-care instructions. Encourage your clients to drink ample water to help flush out toxins. Suggest a few simple stretches they can do at home to maintain the benefits of the session. Finally, discuss a personalized follow-up plan, recommending additional sessions as needed to support their ongoing recovery and well-being.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.